Ever confused about cup to ounce conversions in the kitchen? We're breaking down this essential measurement in seconds because precision matters whether you're cooking or following recipes. 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces in the US measurement system. This is the standard conversion used in most recipes and cooking guides. Fluid ounces measure volume, not weight, so they're perfect for liquids. Remember, this applies to water, milk, and most beverages. Here's where it gets tricky. Fluid ounces measure volume, while weight ounces measure mass. Dry ingredients like flour or sugar differ. 1 cup of flour weighs about 4t25s. Love Renova's cup of flour weighs about 4t25 ounces, not 8. Always check your recipe to determine which measurement type you need. Half cup equals 4 fluid ounces. Quarter cup equals 2 fluid ounces. Quarter cup equals 2 cups equals 16 fluid ounces. Print this chart or bookmark it for quick reference. These conversions save time and ensure consistent, accurate cooking results every single time. Use a measuring cup for liquids and dry measuring cups for solids. Digital kitchen scales provide maximum accuracy for baking. Level dry ingredients with a knife for consistency. Accurate measurements prevent cooking disasters and guarantee better results. Found this helpful? Subscribe for more kitchen conversions and practical tips. Drop a comment telling us your biggest cooking measurements and practical tips. Drop a comment telling us your biggest cooking measurement confusion.